Morning, people, or good evening, whatever. So I have tulips coming up on my garden, and I need to add some mulch and get it somewhat safer for the next couple of months. So here I am buying mulch in the middle of January. So I have been wanting to get like those smaller nugget things. Ooh, I like this one. Southern pine bark. I like that. And these bags are quite big. Now these on this height, these are huge. Yeah, these are a little bit bigger than what I want them for. Like, I love the look, but I think it's gonna take forever to decompose versus, like these little ones. I really like these ones actually. So it's the middle of January, and yes, I am buying mulch at Lowe's, but look at all these Christmas trees, you guys. Makes me a little bit sad. I mean, we're gonna probably just trash them. I mean, I don't want them, but oh. So I just went to Lowe's and grabbed a few bags of mulch, like I said. My tulips are already coming through. It's too early in the season, so I am going to follow Laura of Gardenier's tips about what to do when that happens. So hopefully the new mulch that I got slows down the process a little bit. Also, I got a new type of mulch. This one is a bit of pine nuggets, and they're the smaller kind. They're not like the big huge ones. We'll see how that works. I don't know. I'm hopeful. So I'm also going to be taking all of my wintergreen containers apart. I have some tulips in some of those containers as well. So I'm just going to clean them up and be done with that part of the year. And let me show you this iris moss, you guys. I was told that iris moss is very hard to grow, especially in my zone. But so far, I don't know if it's because our warm winter or just this spot that it really is perfect for this plant to grow. But so far, it's doing very well. And yes, I know I need to come and clean it up, pick up all that grass and weeds. But I am really hopeful for this thing. So let me show you something. I'm in the middle of cleaning my Christmas containers. And look. Can you see that? That is a tulip bulb that is already coming. I have 1, 2, 3. 4. So I'm gonna get some mulch for these guys as well. Well, hello.